Hello student, today I am continuing chapter number 2, okay? Shift key. So what is shift key? The shift key is used with other keys for different purpose. For example, we press it with a letter to type in the upper case. We also press it with number to type the symbols made on them. Caps lock key. We can type capital letter by pressing the caps lock key. Control key. There are two control keys on the keyboard. When we press them with the another key, they perform a special operation. Modifier key. Modifier keys modify the function of other keys. They are used in combinations with the other keys to change their output. For example, when we press shift key with number key 1 to get the exclamation mark as an output. Navigation key. Navigation key are used to move the cursor around in a document to see or edit text. They include page up, page down, home, end and arrow key. There are 4 arrow keys used to move the cursor in different direction on the screen. They are also known as cursor control key. Function key. There are 12 function key from F1 to F12. Each function key perform special task. Mouse. A mouse is a small input device. It helps us to do different tasks on a computer. It is used to point or select on a computer screen. It usually has 2 buttons. They are left and the right button. Pressing and releasing the mouse button is called a click. When we press the left button once, it is called single click. When we press it twice quickly, it is called double click. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that has a screen. It displays everything we do on a computer, like typing words and numbers and making pictures, table, graphs and charts. We can even watch a film or a cartoon on a monitor. There are 3 types of monitor. First is CRT monitor, second is LCD monitor and third is LED monitor. Cathode ray tube monitor. It is big in size, very heavy and occupies lots of space. This monitor is rarely in use now. Second is LCD monitor. LCD means liquid crystal display monitor. It is not very big in size, not very heavy and occupies less space. The pictures on it are clearer than the CRT monitor. LED monitor. Light emitting diode monitor. It is not big in size and not very heavy and occupies less space. The pictures on it are clearer than the LCD and CRT monitor.